friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it to receive updates on every video uploaded. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center has issued a notification regarding recruitment of Technician B, Draftsman B, Technical Assistant, Scientific Assistant, Library Assistant, Scientist or Engineer and Medical Officer. Now let's see each in detail. For the post of Technician B, the pay scale is Rs 21,700 to 69,100. The disciplines for which there are vacancies are fitter, electronic mechanic, machinist, mechanic motor vehicle or mechanic diesel, chemical operator, turner, instrument mechanic, MR and AC, electrician, welder, fitter cum industrial radiographer, photography, blacksmithy or forger and heat treater, chemical operator, boiler attendant. Essential qualification required is SSLC or SSC or 10th class pass with ITI in the relevant trade. For the post of Draftsman B, in the discipline mechanical, the pay scale is Rs 21,700 to 69,100. Essential qualification required is SSLC or SSC or 10th class pass with ITI in the relevant trade. Submission of online application commences on 16/12/2019 and closes on 30/12/2019. Candidates registered under National Career Service portal and fulfilling the eligibility conditions can visit the ISRO website and apply for the same. Age limit as on 30/12/2019. Minimum 18 years. Maximum 35 years for UR category. For OBC category, it is 35 years for some posts and 38 for others. For SC category, it is 35 for some posts and 40 for others. For ST category, it is 35 for some posts and 40 for others. For EWS candidates, it is 35 years. Selection process. The selection process will consist of written test and skill test. Based on the marks scored in the written test, candidates will be shortlisted for skill test. The skill test will be purely on go-no-go basis and marks obtained in the skill test will not be considered for selection. The skill test will be evaluated on a 100-point scale with minimum 60% for qualification. The final selection will be done amongst skill test qualified candidates purely based on the scores obtained in the written test. The application fee is Rs 100. Female, SC, ST, ex-servicemen, PWBT candidates are exempted from payment of application fee. For the post of technical assistant, the pay scale is Rs 44,900 to 1,42,400. There are 28 vacancies for the discipline mechanical, 20 for electronics, 3 for chemical, 2 for computer science, 1 for automobile, 1 for electrical and 1 for cinematography or photography. Essential qualification required is first class diploma in the relevant field. For the post of scientific assistant, the pay scale is Rs 44,900 to 1,42,400. There are vacancies in the discipline physics, mathematics, chemistry. Essential qualification required is first class BSc degree in the relevant discipline. For the post of library assistant, the pay scale is Rs 44,900 to 1,42,400. There are 3 vacancies. Essential qualification required is a graduation with first class master's degree in library science or library and information science or equivalent. Submission of online application commences on 18th December 2019 and closes on 1st January 2020. Age limit as on 1st January 2020. Minimum 18 years. Maximum 35 years. For some posts, it is 38 years for OBC candidates and 40 years for SC candidates. Selection process will consist of written test and skill test. Based on the marks scored in the written test, candidates will be called for skill test. The skill test will be purely on go-no-go basis and marks obtained in the skill test will not be considered for selection. The skill test will be evaluated on a 100-point scale with minimum 60% for qualification. The final selection will be done amongst skill test qualified candidates purely based on the scores obtained in the written test. The application fee is Rs 250. Female, SC, ST, ex-servicemen, PWBD candidates are exempted from payment of application fee. For the post of scientist or engineer SD, the pay scale is Rs 67,700 to 2,08,700. Essential qualification required is PhD Physics with specialization in atmospheric or space science, or PhD in Physics or Atmospheric Science or Meteorology or Space Science or Planetary Science, or PhD in Aerospace, or PhD in Microelectronics, or PhD in Dynamics Modeling and Control of Aerospace Vehicles, or PhD in Structural Analysis of Composite Hardware, or PhD in Metallurgy or Material Science, or PhD in Chemical Engineering, or PhD in Polymer Technology, or PhD in Chemistry. For the post of scientist or engineer SC, the pay scale is Rs 56,100 to 1,77,500. Essential qualification required is ME or MTech in Industrial Engineering or Control Systems Engineering or Control and Instrumentation or Control and Guidance or Control and Computing or Control and Automation or Systems and Control Engineering or Industrial Safety Engineering or Material Science and Engineering or Material Engineering or Surface Engineering or Aerospace Engineering or Aeronautical Engineering or Machine Design or Propulsion or Manufacturing Engineering or Non-Destructive Testing or Metallurgy or Material Science or Computer Science or Electrical Machines, Digital Signal Processing or Image Processing or Computer Science or VLSI or RF Engineering or Microwave Engineering or Radar Engineering or Polymer Technology or Engineering or Chemical Engineering. MSc Maths or Applied Mathematics, MSc Chemistry, BE or BTech in Chemical Engineering, BE or BTech in Automobile Engineering, BE or BTech in Metallurgy or Material Science. For the post of Medical Officer SD, the pay scale is Rs 67,100 to 2,08,700. Essential qualification required is MD in General Medicine. For the post of Medical Officer SC, the pay scale is Rs 56,100 to 1,77,500. Essential qualification required is MBBS with minimum 2 years clinical experience in a reputed hospital. Diploma in Industrial Health or Associate Fellow of Industrial Health is preferred. Submission of online application commences on 20th December 2019 and closes on 3rd January 2020. Age limit as on 3rd January 2020. There is no upper age limit for the posts of Scientist Engineer SD and Medical Officer SD. For the post of Scientist Engineer SC and Medical Officer SC, the upper age limit is 35 years. Selection process. Written test will be conducted for shortlisting the candidates for interview. The final selection will be based on the performance of candidates in the interview only. The application fee is Rs 250. Female, SC, ST, ex-servicemen, PWBD candidates are exempted from payment of fees. Interested candidates can visit the ISRO website and apply for the above posts. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.